Hi and welcome to episode number 621 with whatsforchild.com. Pork fillet gets a pretty bad rap generally, as it tends to dry out and toughen when cooked using traditional methods. This sous vide recipe elevates the downtrodden pork fillet to new heights. It is supremely tender and juicy and tasty. Once you've tried this, there is no turning back. You will need a meat syringe, a sous vide cooker, digital pot or regular pot on an induction range, a vacuum packing machine, and a tiny bit of xanthan gum. To start, measure out 100 grams of butter and melt this in your microwave. 30 ml apple cider vinegar, 10 ml garlic powder, 10 ml fine salt, 10 ml caster sugar, and 1.25 ml xanthan gum. Place all of these in a tall jug and use your stick blender to emulsify the mixture. The xanthan gum is bipolar and effectively bonds the water-based liquid to the fat in the butter. This emulsion will never separate, even when remelted. Load half of the butter emulsion into your syringe. You need to do this using a narrow spoon. Unfortunately, the emulsion will not draw through the needle. Insert the needle into one end of the fillet and inject half of the emulsion into the meat, withdrawing the needle progressively. Repeat this on the other side of the fillet. Use butcher twine to tie off the ends of the meat, effectively trapping the emulsion inside. Continue with the second fillet. Vacuum pack both the fillets, making sure to double seal both ends of the bags. Zap these into your sous vide cooker or digital pot that has been preheated to 55 Celsius or 131 Fahrenheit. Allow these to cook slowly for 1 to 4 hours. I normally let them cook for 2 to 2.5 hours and they are perfect. To finish the pork fillets off, remove them from the bags and sear them in a large smoking hot pan with a little butter and oil. Slice the fillets at angles and serve them with the accompaniments and garnishes of your choice. Thanks for joining us. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.